In this video, I am going to show you how to connect IPTV on VLC media player. Open VLC media player, go to media tab, click on open network stream. Here you can paste your IPTV URL and then click on play. To find IPTV URL, go to your Google Chrome, insert type M3U URL. Now hit enter. Here you will find lot of link for IPTV URL. You can choose free RTP and you will get here lot of free IPTV URL. Click on IPTV GitHub. Scroll down. Here the category auto, animation, business, classic, comedy, cooking, and you will find here number of channels, and this is the IPTV URL. I'm selecting animation URL. Right click and copy, minimize Chrome browser and paste the URL here. Now click on play. You have to wait few seconds and the IPTV is successfully connected to VLC media player. In this way, you can watch live IPTV on VLC media player. Thank you.